spiritual uses of garlic that you don't know yet. I discovered that our ancestors didn't have much of what we have today, and yet they lived a sweet life, free from some of what we are suffering today. And the secret to their sweet life is that they make very good uses of some herbs that we look down on today. Thanks to civilization, a lot of people think because of civilization, they should never use herbs again. So in this video today, I will show you some very powerful spiritual benefits of garlic that you don't know yet. Now, these secrets are not exercise for laziness. If you're lazy to do spiritual work, this is not for you. But if you are wise and you have faith and you believe that this is going to work for you, please do this and watch this video and do it right away. Do it right now. So I not want to do any work in order to generate money. God said in Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18, he said, "You shall remember that it is the Lord your God who gives you power to generate wealth." You must have this in your mind. Every other things are tools to help you, and keep your native energies away from you. Having said this, let's get into this video. I want you to put a clove of garlic in your purse. Just one garlic in your purse or your wallet, and you will never have financial shortage again. Your purse will always be full of money. It will never be meaningless. But if you refuse to work or to do business that will generate that money, your name is sorry, because poverty will deal with you seriously. Hope you understand what I mean. Those who have nightmares, if you're somebody that always wake up with nightmares, you always wake up crying, yelling, you are terrified because of the dream that you just have. Please keep two or three garlic under your pillows while sleeping at night, thereby ending your frightening dreams. Go right ahead and have a sweet night rest. Garlic is very powerful in this because it keeps away the bad energy. It stops spiritual depression. It stops the negativity. It stops all the frightening dreams that you have at night. So go right ahead and use this. And if you feel there is negativity or negative energy around you, please place one garlic near your pillow when you sleep at night. This will completely eliminate the negative energy in your surrounding. This is very powerful. If you love somebody, if you know that you love them, put garlic under their pillow and you will thank me later. The person will start to be attracted to you and they may fall in love with you. I said, if you love someone. So don't go right ahead and manipulate somebody with garlic, because it will not work if you have evil intention. That's why I told you, if you love them, that is the only time that you should do this. Okay? If you are in a financial crisis right now, just take 2 pieces of garlic and tie it in a red cloth and bury it in the ground. This will allow you to earn money. It will allow you to manifest money. It will allow you to attract money. All your financial problems will be removed. It is not charm, but it will help to fight off some negative energies, because money is an energy. You are an energy. I am energy. She is energy. He is energy. Everybody is energy and everything is energy. So, and by energy, I mean spirit. Money is a spirit. Okay? At the same time, eating garlic in the morning can help you get rid of any health problem. Just take one piece of garlic and keep it on your main door of your house. You can keep it on the main door of your house. You can keep it on your window every single day. And this will eliminate, it will chase away every health problems around your house, in your environment. Also, if you want peace and quietness in the house, let's say you always fight with your husband every single time, or you always fight with your wife every single day. To stop the fight and to bring peace, calmness, and harmony into your house and your marriage, just take 7 pieces of garlic every Tuesday and Saturday in the yard or on the roof of the house, because this will chase away negativity from your house. It will allow, it will prevent negativity and bad energy from coming into your house. Because when you fight or you have disagreement, that's negative energy right there that is happening within you and in your environment. So when you take garlic, you put it on your roof, or you put it in your house generally, or you put it in your pocket, or you put it in your purse, just let it be in that environment. It will chase away negativity and bad energy from your house. Okay? If you're somebody, you have a business, this business is not growing at all. You've done everything to make sure that you grow your business, but it's not growing. Get 7 pieces of garlic, blend it together, add a little sea salt into it, pray into it, make your intention that you are using this as a point of contact to grow your business, to make sure that your business attract customers and massive sales. And go right ahead and use this water to take your bath just before you sleep. Okay? Do this for like 3 days and you'll be shocked. Okay? Especially when you do this just before you go to your business place. Do this to take your bath without sponge, soap, or towel. Customers will be coming to you. Massive sales will be coming into your business and you'll be very happy afterward. So there you have it. I want to believe these spiritual benefits and uses of garlic is very helpful to you. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Please watch this video from the start till the end. Thank you so much. God will bless you abundantly. My name is Precious. Bye bye.